What's good, y'all? This is Action with the Jacksons. Today we came here to help you figure out what camera you need to get.
We're here to get
Yes.
my own camera.
If y'all haven't subscribed to my YouTube, Jeremy Duke Jackson, I got 2,000 subscribers. So yes, we know what we talking about with these cameras.
No, Jeremy got a good camera.
So this the camera I got right here. It's a Canon M50. You know, a real nice size, not too bulky. It's a good camera right here, but it's a little bulky though. A nice lens on it. But you want to get a camera that you can hold, and you know what I'm saying.
It's the other camera that we were going.
EOS M200. Okay, I do got an articulated display. So articulated display. So if you vlogging, you definitely want to have an articulated display. Cause if you don't, it's just a basic like this one right here. So that one does not have an articulated display. You more than likely want to have a display to where you can like pull it out and show yourself when you record, just like this. If you want to do vlog, you definitely should have that articulated display because you want to see what you record. You want to make sure you get in your face. Because if you ain't got your face in it, you know what I'm saying, it's a bad video.
The camera that we was looking at, as you can see, it's made for vloggers and stuff.
See, it's
and vloggers.
Yeah.
But the only thing is, you can't change the lens.
Yeah.
You're not able to change the lens on it, so we know this is not the one we're gonna go with. We do want to enhance our quality whenever we want to.
It's good to have a good lens because you want to make sure you capturing all of the dynamic of your video. If you got just one lens where you can't move it around, you can't zoom in, it might got a default width. You would definitely want to be able to, you know, zoom in a little bit if you working your camera like that. So yeah, but it's your choice. We just suggesting what was going on.
We've been in Best Buy. These workers here been telling us so much.
If you're looking for a camera, Best Buy is the best place to go because they more than likely got knowledge on what they talking about. So we about to check out with the new camera we got. Y'all stick around. We're gonna show y'all what's going on. We're gonna tell y'all more stuff about what memory card to get, what's a good choice for you, like a good budget price, you know what I'm saying? See what price you want to spend on the camera, what's a good price to spend. But we're gonna tell y'all the other stuff when we get the next camera. Yeah, y'all just stick around. Yeah, welcome back. We went to the mall, we went shopping and some more stuff.
But we're back and we got the information y'all really want.
Yeah, we got the camera that y'all want to see. We got some accessories for it too, so we finna show y'all what's up.
So the camera that I ended up getting, drum roll, Canon M50, which is the camera we already have.
Same camera we got. We didn't pick the camera because we already had it. We picked the camera because of the knowledge and the information that
we received.
The Best Buy person gave us. I asked him a ton of questions because, like, off the information I already knew, he really gave me some good information. It was not basic at all.
So this is my camera, and of course Jeremy has his. So now we have two cameras. The camera that I went in to get, it was a good camera, but it didn't serve the same purpose that we needed it to. The best bet was to go with the same one.
Yeah, he was explaining to us. He was like, y'all already got the best camera for vlogging. Why would y'all get a lesser version of it? Y'all should get the same version or better, you know what I'm saying, to match that frame rate. Also, memory card. This is very important to know what memory cards you're getting because I found this some newfound information to us.
Because we did not know this.
So when you picking out a memory card, of course you got like 28 gig, 56 gig, 128 gig or whatever. But 128 is a good gig, but make sure it say 4K. It's on me. If you get a memory card that don't say 4K, it probably just say 1080 HD or something on there, and you'll only be
recording in 1080, not 4K, which is the not reaching your camera's full potential.
When you searching for a good vlogging camera, a good YouTube camera, make sure that camera go up to 4K because at this point in the game, you can't get anything less. You can't get 1080 will work, you know what I'm saying?
Because that's what we've been recording.
That's
what we've been posting in. The camera reaches 4K, but we've been posting 1080.
We also got a mic.
I literally got everything Jeremy got for his camera.
And I'm very proud of us for getting another camera.
Yeah, and we was really in there cosplaying because I'm like, should we get another camera if we getting the same one?
Yes, you should. Like,
if
that's what y'all own, like, go ahead and invest in it, especially if you're serious about YouTube.
I'm gonna do the unpacking for y'all so y'all can see right here. Woo!
So that is the Canon DSLR M50.
And it's really not that big, y'all.
It's not.
It's really not like.
I feel like if you would get like a tripod or something, a little stable tripod, you can hold this perfect for a little small tripod. Or you can just hold the camera. I do the camera most of the time.
But what makes it big is that mic.
You need the mic though. Y'all wondering, do you need a mic or you don't need a mic? You definitely need a mic. It like factor in on your voice when you're speaking. Okay, so y'all see the I just took the mic out. Y'all can probably see like y'all probably can hear like a definer tone of the area we in. But when I put it back in, I'm sure y'all can hear like a more sharper, tone from me.
Can I turn it on?
Yeah, you got the battery in there.
Oh, the battery isn't in. Y'all, it's.
Do you need a camera? And make sure you got a mic jack in your camera.
That was one of the things that made me not go with the other camera because it did not have a mic jack. So the price of the camera was $6.99, which isn't bad for a starter camera because they got the big boy joints in there now. And we coming for them. We gonna be able to get the big boy joints real soon.
The budget you should be looking for in the camera should be like $500 to $1,000 for a beginner. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, you probably out your price range or you getting something that's less quality. I suggest this M50 though. I think this is a good starter for a vlog. If you were here to the end of the video, we really appreciate you. Hope you learned a lot. We hope you be successful in your vlogging journey. Beyond research, you might want more than or less than what we're talking about.
You get a camera based off what you're wanting to do. So whether you're gonna be sitting down talking, it's a camera for that. You might not have to get this camera that we're getting. But if you want to vlog, we do think this is a good camera.
So I hope y'all learned a lot from this video on how to choose the best camera for your YouTube journey. Yeah, I've been having success with this camera. If you can look up here and you can see where my channel is, or you can wait to the end, you can see my channel. I got how many subscribers I got from just this camera. So you can definitely grow with this camera. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. We just thank y'all for just, being here and listening.
Are you new here?
Really? Oh, you new?
If you're new here, subscribe.
Yeah.
Hey y'all, so we are on the new vlogging camera.
Okay, what's going on? It might be a difference. Y'all tell us if y'all see a difference in the quality. Thank y'all for watching. Come back and see us. If y'all got more questions, put them in the comments below.
Peace out.
Yeah. Alright, it's 4K right here, y'all. Let's see what's going on. The frame rate seem a little, you know what I'm saying, a little typical, when you're going. We're gonna keep on dropping y'all knowledge, and we're gonna keep y'all giving y'all challenges, and we're gonna keep on giving y'all
cousin.
Come on now. I'll let your boy and girl.